Hello everyone. In my earlier videos, I have taught you how to do CPR, use the automatic external defibrillator, and also to treat a bleeding injury and how to apply a bandage called sling. Today in this video, I am going to speak about an emergency which can happen particularly when we are eating. Yes friends, today we are in the world of multitasking, and sadly lot of people multitask even when they are eating food. When we are eating food, we have to be very careful, because if we are not careful, the food can get into the windpipe, the person can choke, and if the first aid is not provided on time, the person's life may be lost. There are many instances in a restaurant, in a school, in offices, workplaces, where people were eating, the food got stuck in the throat, thereby choked, and people not knowing what to do, the people have lost their life. Now what to do in choking? Number one, the first aider has to look for symptoms. What are the symptoms? First, the person will be holding his hands near the throat. He will be trying to speak, but no words will be coming out. He will be trying to cough, but again, you can see the person coughing, but no sound will be coming out. In reality, why the sound is not coming? Because there is an obstruction in the air pipe and he is not able to breathe, and soon the life may be lost. So what to do in these circumstances? What is the first aid to be given? Let's watch a demonstration. Imagine my friend here is choking, and you go and ask him, "Excuse me sir, hello sir, what happened? What happened?" If the friend replies he is choking, then he is joking, not choking. Now in this case, the person is not able to reply. What is usually done is people tap on the head, try to make him drink water, and some people may even go to the extent of saying, "Someone is thinking about you." Now what to do? Quickly bend the person down. Keep your hand near the shoulder blade and quickly give 5 back slaps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Use the heel of the hand and give 5 back slaps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In case the piece is not coming out, the obstruction has not come out, make your hand into a fist, hold it near the belly button, lock it like this, quickly try to push and lift up. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. When you do this abdominal thrust, the air thrusts upwards and the obstruction may come out. If the obstruction does not come out, the person becomes unconscious and he is not breathing, immediately begin CPR. And in case the person has a big belly or fat and you are not able to reach the belly button, bring the hand near the chest and give the thrust. This is what you do for adults as well as children. In case infants or babies choke, take the baby, invert it, keep it on the thigh and give 5 back slaps. In case the baby is still not recovered, take your 2 fingers and press on the chest. But now comes the clincher. People ask, "I am alone and I suddenly start choking, what to do at that moment? All you need to do is grab a chair, stand behind the chair, take your belly and simply bend and press on the chair. When you bend and press with all your might, the offending obstruction can come out. This is how you treat for choking, and this is how you can save maximum lives whenever there is a situation. The abdominal thrust was first performed by a doctor named Heimlich. He did this method in 1974 in New York in a restaurant, and hence this abdominal thrust has been named as the Heimlich maneuver. In case someone chokes, immediately perform Heimlich maneuver or give back slaps. You may end up saving a life. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you.